Steffi's behavior toward Dylan has been raising questions for a while. From the moment Dylan arrives, Steffi not only gives her a job, but also defends her again and again against Ivy and Electra. It feels more personal than professional, as if Steffi is protecting something deeper than anyone realizes. The truth finally comes out in a shocking moment. Steffi tells Dylan that she is her biological mother. Years ago, when Steffi was still in college, she became pregnant. At that time, she felt too young and unprepared to raise a child, and she made the difficult decision to give the baby up for adoption. She kept it a secret, choosing to move on with her life and never speak about it again. Now that past has returned, seeing Dylan again has awakened emotions Steffi tried to bury. Her actions suddenly make sense. This was never just about helping an employee. It was about protecting her daughter without revealing the truth. For Dylan, the revelation is overwhelming. Everything she believed about her identity is suddenly questioned. The people she has called her parents or alive are not her biological family. The truth feels too big to accept in one moment, leaving her confused and shaken. As she processes what Steffi has told her, the emotional weight becomes even heavier. This is not just a secret, it is a life-changing truth that affects who she is and where she belongs. At the same time, Steffi asks her to keep this hidden, at least for now. That request put Dylan in a difficult position. On one hand, she understands why Steffi wants to protect the secret. On the other, keeping something this big hidden may only make things more complicated later. Secrets like this rarely stay buried forever. Now the tension begins to build. The truth is out between them, but not for anyone else. And the longer it stays hidden, the more explosive it could become when it is finally revealed. Do you think Dylan will keep Steffi's secret, or will the truth come out sooner than anyone expected?